Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error. Go to search bar and search for Windows Update setting. As you can see in this video, I have tried to update my Windows again and again, but I actually can't update it. It's always show up the error encountered. So if you meet this problem too, then let's go to fix this problem together. First, click on Advanced Options, and if all these functions turn off, then just turn it on. Then click Delivery Optimization, and make sure you turn it on. And now, my Windows Update is working as well. But if your Windows Update still error, then we have another method. Go to search bar and search for services. Then scroll always down to find Windows Update. And if Windows Update disabled, then you have to enable it. Just right-click on it and click on Properties. Change from manual to automatic. Click Apply. Then click Start. Then right-click on Windows Installer and click Start. Then go to check your Windows Update again. The error problem should be fixed for now. Okay, now my Windows Update worked fine for me, but if it's still not fixed for you, then go to restart your computer. After you restarted, it should work as well. Anyway, leave your comments below if there's still any problems. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. See you very soon. Thanks and bye for now.